All right, Yins guys, Buffalo Golf Course, motorcycle golf carts. Course is eating me up right now. We're gonna vid this hole, little par 4, 373. Looks pretty straight overall. See what we can do.
Started off with a pretty decent drive. Leaked right into the fairway bunker. No big deal. We had about buck 15, buck 20-ish shot. Got the old gap wedge. Just a little left.
This thing's sweet. Yeah, this thing's sweet. Probably gonna die. Trying to get the vids today.
The thing's freaking sweet. We just landed right off the green there. Got ourselves a par look, possible updahn. Notorious. One roll short. Tap in bogey, ain't gonna be mad. Let's go. Bikes are sick. Definitely gonna be back ASAP.
Be up alive today. But hey, you know what?
Look at that thing.
We got the freaking. We got the
Can't
golf
beat it.
cart motorcycle.
Such a good time.